I'm just going to run through in this tutorial how to add a redirect to a URL on your website. So the reason that we're doing this is because we're changing the name of an existing page from gallery to project gallery, but we want to make sure that any traffic that is hitting gallery is redirected to project gallery. And this is a strategy that is important because if you've got that URL currently living somewhere, so say we've got it embedded in resources or documents or PDFs or externally on other websites that direct us to the gallery page, we've got to make sure that redirect, that traffic, doesn't return a page not found. So the way that we do that is, first of all, you need to have the redirection plugin installed on your website. And then once you've got it, you head across to, it's in, where is it? Tools right here, and under redirection. Now we're going to go add new, and what we're going to do is, so it's saying what's the source URL. So in this instance, it's gallery, and we're exact match. We want to send it to project-gallery, and I go add redirect. So here you can see now it's sending anything from gallery to project-gallery. Now what I'm also going to do is I'm going to check this. So I'm going to head to pages. Well, actually, we need to change the page URL first of all. So if I type in gallery, this one here, click on this. See this URL. So now we need to change this URL to project gallery. Click OK, and then update it. Now you can see the URL's been updated here as well, which is great. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go and check to make sure that the redirect is working. So I click, I'm just going to copy this URL, and I'm going to head across to here and paste it. And I'm going to search the gallery, the URL that it was, to make sure that it's sending to project gallery. So I click enter here. Yep. And we can see right there that redirect is currently working. So that's how you do it. Hope that was helpful, folks.